Before we start, subscribe for more quick tech fixes and simple step-by-step help. If your Roku remote is not pairing to your TV, don't replace it yet. There are a few quick fixes that solve this most of the time. In this video, I'll show you how to restart the Roku device, repair the remote, and fix the most common connection problems. Let's get your remote working again. Step by step. Step 1. Remove the batteries from the Roku remote. Take both batteries out completely and leave them out for a few seconds. Step 2. Restart the Roku device. Unplug your Roku box or Roku TV from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Step 3. Put fresh batteries back into the remote. Weak batteries are one of the most common reasons pairing fails, even if the light still comes on. Step 4. Press and hold the pairing button. If your Roku remote has a pairing button, hold it for about 5 seconds until the status light starts blinking. Step 5. Wait for the pairing message on screen. Give it a moment and look for the pairing confirmation on the TV. Step 6. Move the remote closer to the Roku device. Wireless remotes can fail to pair if you are too far away or if something is blocking the signal. Step 7. Check for interference. Nearby wireless devices, soundbars, or crowded USB ports can sometimes affect the connection. Step 8. Try another power cycle if needed. If it still does not pair, restart both the Roku and the remote one more time and repeat the pairing process. If your Roku remote still won't pair after trying all of these fixes, the remote may be defective or incompatible with that Roku model. Subscribe for more fast Roku, TV, and tech troubleshooting videos.